Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can reorder songs in a playlist on Spotify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Spotify, and when you're gonna do it, you just wanna simply take whatever song you have in a playlist, hold it, and just move it where you want to. Like this one here. Then you can take Abacus and move it here. And this is how you can simply do it. So you can really play around it, and this is how you can reorder songs in a playlist on Spotify. What you can do also is how you can reorder playlist is just take the playlist that you created and again move it. So yeah. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.